Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of TRON.
Today's the day, guys. Today's the day. Woo, TRON, there it is. We're going on TRON today. We got invited by a family member that's a cast member, and we're going to join them on the TRON cast member preview. We're super excited. So we're in Magic Kingdom and we're headed to TRON. TRON is in the Tomorrowland area right next to Space Mountain. You got to get a special, let me show you guys. So they give you a special band as you enter, and you got to come in with the cast member that has the invite. Each cast member is allowed to bring 3 people with them. So thank God for my daughter's boyfriend. He brought all 3 of us with him. So right now, TRON is in the preview stages. They're doing the cast member previews, then we're going on to the pass holder previews, which we missed, by the way. They sent out an email and you had to like click it right then and there. We missed our window for the pass holder preview. So we are so grateful that we're able to come for the cast member preview. You're given a window to come to the ride. So they're doing this all day long, and obviously you can't come and ride unlimited amounts of times all day long. So our window was between 2 and 3:30 in the afternoon. As I had mentioned, it is right next to Space Mountain. They still have the store closed off and doing renovations, getting it ready to open for TRON. But TRON is right there, and here's Space Mountain. Now it is a long weekend. Today is Sunday the 19th. Tomorrow is President's Day. So I can tell you Magic Kingdom is pretty packed. Here's the event entrance, and you do have to show your band. So between now and April 4th is when TRON opens. So it's going to be all of this cast member previews and pass holder previews. They are in preview stage right now. Can you hear the angels sing? This is where they're going to show the wait times for you. I have not yet decided if I want to ride this thing, because you who have been following me know that I am a big chicken. But I'm going to get in the line and see how I feel. This was announced 5 years ago, guys. Can you believe it? And we've been watching it go up slowly. We've been living here for 5 years. So right about the time they started building it was when we moved here to Orlando. Those are the bikes in case you want to try it out before you go on the ride. We did not get on those. The line is really long, so we just got in line.
You should be free from motion sickness or other conditions that could be aggravated by this experience. Expected users should not ride. Users
Lots of warnings as we come in.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of TRON.
Whoa. Woohoo! Oh my God!
Team Blue.
To synchronize with your life cycle. As you begin, the Team Blue launch components will meet you there. There are winners, and there are losers. Who are you? To win everything.
All right, let's put our stuff in the locker. right, so you are not allowed to hold on to anything. If you want to film, it's got to be strapped on you. So he does have the phone strap. He's going to attempt to film the ride for you guys. So there are 4 trains. Only one of the trains is having the seat in the back. So if you're not comfortable with sitting on the bike, you can also have the seat.
You okay? Woo! Nice.
Prepare for Team Blue Light Cycle Run upload.
Alright, you're good. You're good, baby.
Remember, hold on,
Está frío,
keep your
guys.
head up, and face forward. Initiate in 3, 2, 1. Captured. Second energy gate. 3. 4. 5. Captured.
Oh, it's beautiful here. Woo! Oh, it's great. Look at that, look at that, baby, look at that. It's over, we did it.
Caesars.
That was an intense
Ancient
takeoff.
Bishop performance.
You did it, baby, you did it. You did it, baby, you did it. Oh my God. What do you think, what do you think? What do you think, baby? Give me your review.
Wow, wow, wow.
Users, watch your step as you dismount and exit. Be sure to collect your belongings.
You all right, baby? Woo-hoo!
Woo! That's all I'm going to say is woo! I am not a roller coaster person. That was amazing. The takeoff is crazy. It's crazy. But I'm so proud that I did it, guys. Oh my God. It's super smooth, super fast. You're kind of like flying. You're flying. It's okay. So 2 bags. I think this is the first time I ride a roller coaster where I don't scream. I didn't say a peep. I was just holding my breath going, oh my God. This right here is part of the launch and it shoots you right into that building. So this is the fastest part by far. Oh my God. I want you to remember that for the preview, sometimes not everything is finished and ready to go. So you got to keep that in mind. That's why it's a preview. On opening day, it'll be perfect. And really, I've seen people complain on how it looks. I think it looks great. I cannot imagine what these guys have gone through. Remember, we went through COVID, and throughout COVID, people weren't working. So this has been through heck and back, and here we are, guys. 5 years later, we're ready to go. I suffer from motion sickness. I had seen enough videos to realize how the ride was. I didn't think I was going to have any kind of motion sickness problems, but I did take Dramamine twice today, and I did take ginger this morning. You hear that? I think I can stand here all day nonstop, just watch it go by. So I did not get motion sickness from the ride. I was really nervous about the takeoff when it launches out, and that's kind of what had me the most nervous. Here it comes again. But I feel fine, no motion sickness. I actually closed my eyes until we entered the building, and that's where you see all of the light effects. You're racing against the other teams. It is super smooth. I did Cosmic Rewind. I will not go back on Cosmic Rewind. I just can't handle it. I may do this one again. I feel like I handled this one a little better. If I ride it more often, I'll do even better. For those of you afraid of drops, it doesn't have very steep drops. It's just quick, smooth drops. And it's a super short ride. It's about a minute long, so it's not bad at all. Hopefully the footage that my honey got with that neck strap is good. You guys will know, because if it was good footage, it's in this video. There's a really cute photo pass picture here where you have the disc that you can hold on to. We entered the grid and we are done with the grid, guys. Thank you so much for watching me. I will tell you, whether you're a roller coaster enthusiast or not, this ride is so smooth that I don't think you would be affected. I am a big chicken. I don't do roller coasters, never been on Space Mountain, and yet I got on TRON, and yes, I will be riding it again. So I want to thank you for joining me. Join me again in the future. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Give me a big thumbs up, and I will catch you on the next one.